it's Tuesday. My hair's scary.
It's JoJo Siwa.
Oh.
She's our section mascot.
Okay. Lovely.
Arturo agreed.
We just did a lot of stuff working on foot timing because we need that. And then I think we're gonna learn choreo for the next 45 minutes. Kind of fun. I'm excited to just see what it is. But yeah, it's. Oh, we got swing flags. We got the real swing flags. They're actually really pretty.
They're really pretty.
Also, I'm back.
Chris is back. Yeah.
Congratulations. We've been using these poles for like 90%.
PVC
Actually,
pole.
we isn't not me, but you.
We're better.
I didn't. You still have it in your hand.
Okay. Well, we'll see you later. We're gonna have fun doing choreo and stuff. Bye. Hey. It's Thursday.
It feels like a Friday.
There's a football game.
It's felt like a Friday all day.
We also had a clinic yesterday, which I did not film at.
It's okay.
I'm forgetful.
We were really into it.
We were
didn't have
focused.
much
We were
time.
locked in. Yeah.
We got a lot done, so it did go well. We had it was our drill writer, right?
Yeah.
Ron
Ron
Harden.
Harden.
Yep. He gave us a lot of good advice, and I think we improved a lot. So you excited for this performance?
Yeah. Tonight is our first full run performance. We did a first full run of the full show last night. Oh yeah, we have the full show now. Yay!
I'm so excited.
The ending, so cool. I love the ending.
It's gonna be. I really love it so much.
We're not gonna spoil it though.
No. It'll be on YouTube somewhere.
Yeah, it'll be on YouTube somewhere. On Becky Haver.
Yes.
Follow her.
Hashtag follow Becky.
Hashtag Becky
on
Haver.
YouTube.
Yeah.
But yes.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see y'all later. Hey, it's comp day. We're going to Elkhorn. Sounds of Excellence. And yeah, we just left. Something about bus vlogs are not good for me. I forgot what I was gonna say. Yep, comp day. Oh, last night was homecoming. It was fun. Yeah. And now we're just on the bus going to Elkhorn. This is really bad, but it's fine. Okay, bye. Hey, we made it to Elkhorn. We were unloading percussion and equipment. Oh, who is that? Oh, that's Molly. Sorry, I was blocking you. I'm sorry. Gretna is right back there behind us. Their freshman band is performing, so that's why they're in uniform. Yay. I don't know if we're gonna watch them or not. Like I want to.
Yeah, I don't think we have time. A lot of time.
Yeah,
2 hours.
we're eating lunch in like half an hour.
I'm gonna blow up my couch.
Yeah,
Just drop my couch.
There's no.
I remembered it this time. What?
There's like no window, so you just have to like run really fast.
I can't run.
I'm gonna make Nick do mine.
Yeah, Nick, you wanna do mine?
Do what?
You wanna?
Oh, no.
I can do it.
Katie will do it for
I
us.
don't run.
Peyton, I found you. What?
But yeah,
You're good at running. Here.
we perform at 1:45, so we're gonna get ready later. But yeah, we're all excited.
Here,
and I guess.
Let's record this.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go record this. Actually, I'm gonna stop the video so I can turn the camera around. So, bye. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, now you're just gonna run.
Arturo's doing it.
You're gonna run. You're gonna hold it open above your head and just run. But you have
Run
to
like
get
the
both
wind,
sides.
bullseye.
So how I like to hold it, so there's 2 sides. So I like to hold it with one hand like this, and then one hand like that, and then just the both sides get here, and then you just run with it over your. Run with the wind. Yeah.
He's so
Make sure
confused.
both sides are open.
I hold it over my head.
Yes.
Just run.
Hi guys.
I don't know. Hang on, like that?
Yep. Yes. And then
You
run.
gotta open it.
You gotta run.
Just run.
Run somewhere.
Wait, it's working. No.
Yay.
And then wrap it up.
We did prelims. It's bright.
They went pretty well.
Don't make it ugly.
My best run yet, so.
Yeah, we watched Gretna. I loved their show. It was so cool. It was
Thanks.
so cute. I love how Alex and Ruby go on a date. That is so cute.
Lucas, what's your thoughts?
It was good. Best rep.
That's good.
Now
And
we
it-
go on to finals.
Yeah. Finals are, well, prelims awards are at 3:30. Yes.
30. That's in half
So
an
that's
hour.
Oh, we
Half
should
an hour.
probably get going.
half an hour then. Okay. So we'll go watch that. Bye.
Class 3A, second place. Gretna East.
Hey.
Keep that in.
That was great. We're about to go perform finals. I just wanted to quick say hi. Jackson says woohoo.
Love the enthusiasm.
Yeah, we're just gonna forget that I dropped my phone. It's fine. But yeah, everyone is getting their uniforms on. We're getting ready to go. And I think I should go because I still need to get a plume.
How do you feel?
Yeah,
How
I'm
do you think you're
excited.
gonna do?
I think Gretna's show was so cool. Like I loved it.
So cool.
Oh yeah.
New Italians could be so
Yeah,
entertaining.
we got second in prelims. Gretna in our class. Gretna got first.
Briefly so.
Yeah, their show's so cute. I love it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get my plume. But we'll see y'all later and see how finals go. Bye. Hey, we just performed finals. We're gonna go watch the awards in a few minutes. But I think it was a really great run. I'm excited to see how it turns out. And yeah, awards are in like, I don't know, less than half an hour. Okay. Sid? Hey. How'd you think it went?
Fire. I thought
Fire?
it was so good. I was crying off all my tears. Oh, wait, no, wait, that's wrong. Wait. Playing off all my tears.
Playing off all your tears. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it turns out.
I'm really excited.
Yay!
That was definitely one of our best runs.
I agree. It was a good run. It was good. I think it went really well. I'm excited. Okay, bye!
In fourth place, with 79.60 points, Millard South.
We beat Millard! It's Westside, us, or Gretna. The top three.
The award for outstanding music goes to Gretna East. In third place, with 80.05 points, Westside.
Yeah, West Side! Somebody! What? Oh my gosh. So scared. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. Somebody hit me. Guys, this is so close. There you go. Oh, I don't even care anymore. This is amazing. I don't anymore.
The award for outstanding effect goes to Gretna.
Good job.
They deserve that.
That was good.
I can't believe we got outstanding music again. Okay.
second place with 82.05 points. Gretna East.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
My hat off.
Katie's taking her hat
Oh my gosh.
Good.
Ignore the
Okay, so we got second in Best Music, which you obviously know because I'm going to put it in the vlog before this. Gretna beat us. We had 82.5. Or, wait, 82.05. And they had 82.45. So they beat us by 0.4 points.
which is
That
actually
is so
insane.
close.
That is
That's
so
like
close.
Like, imagine what it's going to be like next week when we have like the more
We
visuals
tune
and
things
stuff.
up and we get things cleaned. And they're
literally
gonna
so
get things
excited.
cleaned. So it's gonna be like a race for the trophy. I hope. I genuinely I genuinely hope that we keep this up and like we're back and forth because even keep like where we are now. Like hi Moog. But like this is
Trying to block
so
the
good.
light. Yeah, I'm literally 82. 82. That is
in
so
the third
good.
competition. That's wild.
Yeah, like I'm just flabbergasted. Like, Riley, what do you think? Hey.
I'm just a little overwhelmed.
Oh, it's so cool.
They beat us by 0.4.
They beat us by 0.4.
Yep.
Mr. Lavelle, do you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah. Hype.
Are you excited with how it went?
Oh, 100%. That is awesome.
Yay.
That was 100% the best run we've ever had. We got some stuff to do, but like that was awesome.
When we get to add the visuals and stuff.
Say what?
When we add the visuals in Movement 2.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be super
Is it
cool.
Movement 2? Yes, it's Movement 2.
It's gonna be super
I'm
cool.
so excited.
I'm boring on camera, but
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yay. We'll see y'all later.